Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is day 14. Can you believe we are 2 weeks into December 2022? Woo! Today is the day I opened my 14th gift that was sent to me by J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. We're doing an Advent calendar where we each sent one another 8 gifts. 8 times 3 is 24, which gave us December 1st through December 24th to open a gift. Look what I got so far. Woohoo! I got some of my little Blythes out that are dressed for Christmas. Darren just made me this monkey and I absolutely love it. 3D printed and articulated. I love it. Okay, I am reaching in, blindly reaching in, and I got one from J Dolls UK, and I know that because of this beautiful wrapping paper. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Open your gifts as gently and easily as you can. For me, that's hard. And reuse your paper. There's no reason to throw that in the trash can when it can be used again, especially this nice paper. It's also, I have said before, Jay. And there's a note, made from a tutorial by Octopudding. If you haven't seen Sarah's channel, Octopudding, she has all kinds of dolls. She also does crochet tutorials where she shows you stitch by stitch how to make items. Jay, this is absolutely, oh my goodness, and you even sewed a little button on. That's so cute. I'm not going to try it on my dolls yet. I'm going to do that in a video at the end. Look at this though. I have an outfit complete with earrings from J Dolls UK. Oh my goodness. Jay, I cannot thank you enough. Tammy and Beth, same. This is so much fun, and these items are just top-notch. Thank you so much for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.